Hello everyone, you are watching Plant World. Today we are going to see how to repotting a rose plant. As you can see, this is a healthy rose plant. I brought it from my nearest nursery. If you buy from any nursery, they should give you in a plastic bag, just like me, or in a black plastic bag. To grow a rose plant, I am going to use a clay pot, as you can see. If you want, you can use any kind of pot, like this plastic pot. But just make sure that pot you can using at least 10 inch or even 12 inch. Here my pot is 10 inch and I am going to use it. As you can see, this pot has two drainage holes. One is here and another is here. If your pot does not have, make at least one hole properly. Now I am using stone chips on the drainage hole like this, so the water can drain out easily. For the potting soil mix, I am taking 40% of normal garden soil, 30% of cow dung, 20% of cocoa peat and 10% of rice husk. Now I am just going to mix everything properly and then you can do as I do. Now my soil mixing was done. Now you can see I am adding the potting mix to the pot. While filling the pot, press the soil very softly, so the soil mix get adjusted. While filling the pot, please also make sure keep the gap 1 inch to 1.5 inch in between top layer of the soil and surrounding it. That way, we will able to feed our plant properly. Now let's take out the plant from plastic bag. If it's difficult, you simply cut the plastic bag. Now just remove some soil from the root ball. You don't have to remove too much soil. now I am just making a hole in the center deep for the root ball. You can follow me. Gently keeping the plant in the center. And fill the gap. Next, press the soil very gently. Now everything is done and it's time to water. After repotting, we should water heavily so that all the soil get well nicely. While watering, ensure that water is coming throughout the drainage hole, like this. From the next time, when you see the top layer of soil is dry, then you water it similar way. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.